Hello everyone and welcome to Housey. My name is Purva and today we will be revealing the teaser of Sheetal Cosmos Park by DGS Group located in Andheri, Mumbai. As you can see, we are standing at the actual location of the project. Right behind me is the actual land parcel where these buildings will get demolished soon and the towers will be constructed. You can also have a look at the main road and the neighborhood of the project. This over here is the neighborhood of the project. The road from the right leads you towards Marol Naka metro station, and from the left you can go towards Bori Colony. In this teaser, we will be discussing about points like project overview, location, amenities, carpet area, booking process, launch discount offers and many more. But first, let me tell you what is Housey. Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects developers directly to the home buyers, thereby giving you a bottom rate price. Unlike other current listing platforms where if you do an inquiry, your number is shared with different brokers, resulting in a lot of phone calls. But Housey is one such real estate platform where listing is done directly by the developer. So book your dream home today with your favorite developer through Housey. And now talking about the project overview, this project is spread across the land parcel of 0.75 acre that will have one tower with two wings of two basements, ground plus two podium plus 22 residential floors, having 1 and 2 BHK residences. And now speaking of location and connectivity, this project is located near Marol Maroshi Road, Marol Andheri East, from where Marol Naka metro station is at a distance of 900 meters, Aqua Metro is at a distance of 900 meters, International Airport Terminal 2 is at a distance of 2.2 kilometers, and you have Western Express Highway at a distance of 3.2 kilometers from the project. Speaking of amenities, this project has 20 plus amenities including banquet hall, kids play area, yoga zone, indoor games and many more amenities within the project. And now talking about the configuration and the carpet areas, as said, this project has 1 BHK and 2 BHK residences, with 1 BHK in the carpet area of 345 to 465 square feet and 2 BHK in the carpet area of 555 to 610 square feet. Speaking of the booking process, the booking windows for this project are now open. Meanwhile, the clients can come and visit the site and the sales team will give you complete project overview along with the plans and pricing, and then if the client likes the project, they can book by paying a token amount of 10% of the agreement value. So everyone, this was the teaser of the residential project Sheetal Cosmos Park by DGS Group located in Andheri East, Mumbai.
If you have any queries related to the project like pricing, exclusive pre-launch discounts, EOI process, brochure, or you want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients from UAE, US, Singapore, UK and other countries can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such new launch teaser videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.